Good day everyone. I hope everyone is safe and doing great. I'm back with my next video, how to grab customers' attention to your email campaigns. In my first video, I talked about the first challenge an email campaign has to go through. The sources where to find the verified email databases. I listed down top companies and top sources where you can find verified email list. In my second video, I talked about the second challenge an email campaign has to go through, and that is how to pass the spam filter and land into the customer's inbox so your email campaign stands a chance for a response. Well, I listed down 3 tips that you can follow to avoid spam filters and hit customer's inbox. If you haven't got a chance to go through these videos, you can find the link to these videos in the description below. In this video, I'm going to talk about the third challenge, how to get customer attention to your email campaign. See, on an average, a customer receives around 20 to 50 emails a day. Now, how do you make sure that your email stays on top of the stack for an instant attention from the customers? Because if it is not finding that attention, it's not getting that attention, then it reduces your chances of getting a response from the customer. So how do you make sure that you always stay on top of the stack? Well, 2 elements are responsible for it. One is the schedule timing, and second is the subject line. So let's first talk about the schedule timings. If the timing of your email campaign is right, it can get instant attention from the customers. But if it is not, it's going to be buried down deep below in the stack where it struggles for the customer's attention. And you would like it to stay on top of it. So I'm listing down some of the timings that you should follow to send out your email campaigns, which will ensure you stay always on top of the stack. First is send out your campaign between 10 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. Now this is the time when customer steps into his office, he goes over all the emails, and if you're going to send your email campaign between 10 to 10:30, it ensures that it's find its place in the first 5 email on the top. The second one is between 12:30 to 1 p.m. Now this is the time when customer is getting ready to go out for a lunch. He would like to take a look at his emails and then step out for the lunch. So you would like to use this time to stay ahead on top of the stack. The second one is between 2 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. Now this is the time when customer comes back from the lunch and he would like to take a look at all the pending emails, and if you're sending campaign between these times, then it stays on top of the stack. The next time slot is between 4 to 4:30. Now this is the time when customer is getting prepared to leave for the day and going to check his emails. So if you're sending out a campaign between these times, then it stays on top of the stack for maximum and instant attention from the customers. So I hope this helps. If you're going to follow these timings, you will ensure that maximum attention from the customers and stands a good chance for a response to your email campaigns. Talking about the second element, subject line, I'll be talking about it in my next video tomorrow. So if you would like to get access to it firsthand, please follow or subscribe me. And if you would like to know how to generate 10 times more leads from your email campaigns using the email lead magnet, I'm doing a webinar on coming 29th May at 4 p.m. So please comment yes in the comment box or find a link in the description below and get a chance to know how to generate email list automatically, how to write the most effective subject line and email body to grab customers' attention and interest, how to use email lead magnet to drive 10 times more lead generation from your email campaigns, and metrics and tools to measure your campaign performance. All the best. Thank you very much.